Good morning, guys. Is it Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. I'm taking a video with my new iPhone. So excited. I really love it, better than Android. Just wanted to show you my let me see, the light is red, my glossy double-sided face mask. So it's split on one side and it's all cotton, lightweight, and there is a filter fabric inside, obviously to filter out the virus. Wire in the nose bridge. This is the picture of it. Glossy, lightweight, double-sided, PLAID-RED reusable cotton protective face mask. It comes with the strap. Well, there is an option for that. Obviously, there is an option for no strap. You can put it around the neck, and there is a zip-up pouch, cotton zip-up pouch. Very nice to drop it in your purse and carry it around. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's a better picture like that. Let me straighten it out. I love it. Let me know what you think. It's available on the website.